Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about the Nooni Korean lip oil, that viral clear oil that promises hydrated, plump, glossy lips without the stickiness. I've been seeing this all over TikTok and I've been using it for a few weeks now, so let's get into what it really does. So Nooni's lip oil is a Korean product that claims to deeply moisturize and smooth out cracked or flaky lips. It's supposed to give long-lasting shine, restore moisture barriers, and even out lip tone. It comes in several variants like apple berry, grape, mint, all enriched with natural fruit oils and squalene for nourishment. It's marketed as a lighter, non-sticky alternative to gloss, but more hydrating than a balm. The first time I tried it, I honestly loved the texture. It feels so smooth, not heavy, and it gives that glassy finish without feeling greasy. I used it both during the day and before bed, and the next morning, my lips felt noticeably softer. I also like that it doesn't have that plasticky taste some lip oils have. That said, it's more of a cosmetic shine than a deep treatment. If you have super dry, peeling lips like the kind that crack in cold weather, it gives relief for a few hours, but it doesn't fully repair them the way a heavy, overnight lip mask or ointment would. Still, for daytime wear, it's perfect. It adds hydration and gloss without the gunk. For the flaws, here's a few things. It wears off fast. After about 2 hours, it's gone, especially if you drink or talk a lot. The applicator picks up too little product, so I found myself reapplying often. And even though it's hydrating, it is not healing. You will still need a stronger balm at night if your lips are severely dry. So overall, I would say Nooni's lip oil is worth it if you want something light, glossy, and nourishing for daily use, but not if you're expecting a miracle cure for cracks or flakes. I keep it in my bag as a quick refresh, not my main lip treatment. So yes, hydration, yes. Healing, not quite. And that's it. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.